You have been using SRK on your phone, tablet, laptop to build your operational analysis on structured data from your internal ERP and external supply chain systems. You've just been informed that you are also required to include unstructured data from company website and social media sites in your overall analysis. You're wondering if you need a new tool in order to accomplish this. The answer is no. SRK easily lets you incorporate unstructured data, allowing you to further your analysis and gain better insights into how to improve your business. So what is unstructured data? Unstructured data can come from social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, emails, browsing history, and even stored camera feeds. Unstructured data is any data that doesn't have a discernible pattern and therefore must be organized and processed further before any analysis can be done. So how do we get this unstructured data into SRK? Let's look at this example here. We have a retail store that sells recreational types of transportation. They have to do a pre-processing in order to prepare the data to import into SRK. Here, we have a set of unstructured data from their company's retail website. This data is showing the browsing history of all their users. They are able to see each customer's browsing behavior and how they navigated through the site. Very quickly, they can tell there are some columns that would be useless in their analysis. With SRK, what they can do is exclude these columns from being imported into SRK. Also, SRK offers data transformation capabilities. Once they have excluded unnecessary columns and completed the required data transformations, they are now ready to import their data into SRK and begin to do their analysis. As you can see, there is no programming involved and everything is simple point and click. SRK allows them to link unstructured data with structured data to build your analysis. They want to take their unstructured website browsing history data and join it with their structured historical purchase history. In order to link these two together, they use the IP address. If they are able to find the IP address in both the browsing history and purchase history, this means their customers purchased an item. If not, then we know they haven't purchased the item yet. Now that they have imported our data and linked their unstructured with structured data, let's take a look at the analysis they have built. Here, their first chart shows their past store purchasing statistics. This is built on a pivot view. Pivot view is where we create multi-dimensional analysis without needing the user to build a data warehouse, perform data modeling, or do any programming. This is only possible because SRK leverages non-structured data engine, Hadoop big data technology, coupled with DrivenBI's proprietary technology to dynamically generate OLAP queues per user's analysis requirements. By simply right-clicking on the bar and clicking Drill Down, any business user is able to choose what column or row to further drill down the data. Here, they can select state in order to analyze which state sold the most. Their chart dynamically updates and we can see right away that California sold the most. Finally, let's look at the bottom left chart, which shows us those customers who added an item to their cart but didn't check out. This means they were one step away from checkout. So let's see if we can figure out their behavior and give them an incentive to take that next step. Here, we can see the type of items, username, IP address, and even the number of clicks they took. What we see is that the majority of them clicked around multiple times, meaning that they were probably doing price comparison or looking at different models. We also see that there are a large number of anonymous users, meaning their information is not in the system. What the retail company can do is consolidate a report of all the anonymous users and the item they chose. Since they have their customer's IP address, they can send this to Google Ads so that no matter what website they are on, their ads will pop up with the item their customers were searching for. Also, they might do a promotion to give a 30% discount for people who click on their banner and sign up for membership to their website. With SRK, you can tap into the data you need, whether it is simply structured data from your operational systems or combined with unstructured data to provide a more comprehensive view of customer behaviors or visitor impressions, allowing you to further your analysis and gain better insights into how to improve your business in a rapidly and ever-changing world. SRK, the cloud-native, self-service data analysis platform for business professionals, follows you anywhere on any device, keeping you and your team alert and active at all times. Want to learn more? Visit our website at www.drivenbi.com or email us at info@drivenbi.com. We look forward to hearing from you.